again. Mentally, you're moving. I'm gonna say why I'm in feet one cause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey.
Yama wakwaba about the journey so the money that na what you be a yet na senior to chinkomo afa abrabo ho and then me guest no air strong na sana no mami da aboafo ase so masina na what you be a me the journey April e Adom TV a time here about Mr. Osi malaria de wajo anytime afa give us clean care for your basi fie na fie enyefe efie ye fene de na ye the lip tomato paste ennoa eduane yare ben na e hawo se wo yare na se kwan kwoti se stroke diabetes yare bia de no ane Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic for na film the capsule one was so bi kraba your friend is soja capsules ebo mema ne ema nyina olibido wo fom na be ma untimi mo adwuma mesrew unya soja capsules ebeboa ama bibia ye kama omo sign was soja garlic plus na eno no de se be ya moja no mo bedi afunsan na daily routine etimi akoso nti unya garlic ni bia ebeboa ma bibia aye kama empanyufue ena somasi na season 6 ya ye wo kumase ye di April e wo Adom TV so ena me guess no ya maame chese ye bibia ani mini so ba so si okoshe hin ena de obema ye timkomo na ebedu se ebe free ha kono na me no nyina ya fa ba komienu e de aboye bra ye maame Awo Yaa actress ene ene chichenko ma akwaba
yeah
why feel
Adom Nyankopon ne Bible
ahon fe de ni expiring date o
akomakan ni emanipa time bia o shren when so if you have a dark heart and as if your heart or your mind is negative you might have the facial a beautiful face, the facial everything, but because it demi of physical appearance.
Wow. It's akumapa eti ma ho so eyefe pa. Enti ene yenya first one e de ato. Ene ye ba be din komo. Yinim Awo Yaa. Ade ba kwa me de kai we the time I ba industry no oboa o de be mo ma asese a. E ma wa dwe o. What de be mo ma ba edru baby a sese ne yehu de na mo ye no so mfa so. Because and now more for sanctity no you don't even see them. Obi betima ba social media abeye stars see a cha boso me mensa. Now we fade because they didn't go through that entity no ne that kind of way na modema enkwada na aba no. Enye obi a na befa ba obi ofa ye bia so ene aboa na wonti ene de ye beda wase be ho ne de esun ba mu.
Usun yo.
Hey. Obi jojo chese. Woti he ye den wo kra wo ho nye for be sinya ye den. Kope ba bitina. Hey, so ba me makai po ni ekoko. And ojojo me was said to say the journey of movie industry, creative arts. Eboa wa na mboa.
Initially when I started, I got carried away by fame. Inti ashasi no amwame, but everybody I know sure akumem. Everybody who say me pay. She has the passion and the zeal for the industry, but when it comes to character-wise, and abrabo addition or lucky, because na many photo for. Say usana unya fame na
Mofa.
I'm offended dear. I will hokro anas way nya photo for essay. Not fame sabeka home, not number one unimerate. You might have some principles and some morals there, but unse ni motherly figure and a fatherly figure and a meant to be a ubun friend na we be your betia wa edi nipa ko eyete bia boni ma ense emfata tasha se ne na minni sa ne man amwa me but say dear I am proud to call myself an entertainer. I am proud to call myself an actress, and I am proud to be in the creative arts industry.
I didn't know how we way back. You are not proud of.
Ebinana okase.
You are no more treating.
Me more treating kolano ni ade no. Enne me call me hibernation na me back no enkola na saa time no na me inform nya hwe no omo na say adwuma no si omo nan so but me no make style of maltreatment no we wi na masansere
wo de ende na enyo omo na osiri kun no wo de ne de waka wo wi asa obesan kwa asoma wo
I'll let you know when I up front to say ebia ade bia wo ye no uswa enyese me bia mamwa ya we say mentan wo na I'm trying to
correct
set you right and I say shape you up enti no na abo me say mu pimpo usu ye chi nya no wafra me e wo show so I will not totally disrespect you but I might be a little harsh or I might overdo things with you but and no I've gotten a new approach or a matured approach into correcting the new ones and I said Abena Ghana.
Ebi ye na ka be frame agina nchen.
Sa
Abena enyese but that time ni die.
That time no. Na youthful exuberance so when the fame got into my head. Now me feel say me so be mad.
Every set.
Yes, now me feel say me so be mad. Until na me misbehave kaka. Bene me who say me so be mad there. But number one, mato erade, me hu erade. Number two, me bu nipa. Akola was penio. Nipa na so address so one race. Nipa bia ye nipa. E wo wiase. E na erade. E na nim adekonti o masa nipa no hia no. Either for good or for bad. I'll be experience and I say bia obenya soft skin. Enti for now I am happy to be back in the industry.
You're
very
happy
privileged.
To be back.
Yes.
Yeah, ba wa brabom fire for journey of life. So ne be ya me fam aba obi so tifie ono so benya aba bi ewom. Ya ba wo journey of life akwantu no yen start na fire fam.
O kan sem bi na eyemede. So bi wa owie school we ye ne day.
Yeah.
Ebia esa go tertiary bi na say bi ope life skills bi no. What's your idea? He or she wants to be in showbiz.
Yeah.
But from many points of view, no, you have to be accomplished before you even get into showbiz. I didn't hear. Showbiz and canocre, you might be on top today.
Yes, tomorrow.
You can be at the bottom of the pit tomorrow. Yeah. So if you don't have any skills or any certificate or any educational stuff to fall back on, and over for my obey me I have a degree in marketing. Me University College of Management Studies. And so I may venture into acting. And
which year?
The year 2000.
Okay.
And I made my first movie.
Okay.
And I always say my life has been a series of mistakes turned to blessings. Baby, Reverend Samuel Nyamiche, it will be a mede and Jack is here the man. Me you comes no be marketing. Tina me attachment. I was space phone and not MTN no. First na a space phone. Intina scratch cards and SIM cards and why you didn't come so we had to trek to Accra, get some to come and sell in Kumasi. And I was happened to have a shop behind my house at Edum. So he was like, "Unya, SIM cards nibia." Me wodoko ya for baby fee na my baby Johnny James Abwajina. Timinya cards no na mzio nembe kwa ko momu fee. Me so me prepare on se me so share to. Tibekwa na wakofa Nigerians naba. Ifeanyi Onyabo of blessed memory or ni crew. They were into work with him. Me there. Me come in some me kabro fee ko si ha. Me hula ko si ha. So if I was like akwasi, why are you not using this girl? Oh, you. I've tried several times and said, "Oh, I'm interested in it." But so no there. School no na oko. This way attachment or pet company na kwa yejuma. Na sinifu isika ese. No maybe. Sinifu isika ese ya maybe hanadwe. So if I was like, I see something in you. Just humor me. Oh dear. I'm coming to do an audition in Kumasi. That is next weekend. So how much do you earn in a day? So Saturday na obi jawo juma. Audition. So that time I turn phone cover. I got on 25,000. Now I turn 70,000. The two phone covers 10 cra say in excess of 45,000. They saying 450,000.
No, yes, car.
I mean, yes,
it's not in India.
Fine. See, me check at least we thought 10 phone covers crying in your macacracker. I want if I have 500,000 money.
Hey, wow.
Say, I say me jay a day's weekend. Not me pa audition. And I say, I say,
what do you say? What
do you say? My dear, is it wow? See, the audition was at the Diana Hotel. Me call your mommy script. And I me read here. After me read enough for be sorry about him. I had a standing ovation. Wow. I'm snap in Crawford, dear, and I made my ya. Umujan Bob on him. At that time, Mr. Chuma Simo, Kimbranyam, everybody was uploading.
Wow.
A wa fresher, interesting either. Yamma 13 since Ghanaian Nigerian collaboration. Now, see the travel way, a very addictive.
Oh, yeah, back when I would.
The travel back corner. Na me home. The way I see the environment sitting on, na I am it. Me attachment, I could pay a juma or company. Said you say, we am attachment, no, or call companies or pay juma. Either a boss will hit up on you, and I say HR manager, pay it up on you, and I'm so we come here, I'm also acquired. Me name a horse. I never walk away, see the juma. Nah, maybe I should me how far. So that is how I started. That was the year 2000. And now, kakra, me did more and I say she.
Kakra, ye did more and ye share. You try your home and quadjin carton come on, I had ye basses. Yakwaji and Carto Aba Oguswa Ehedi Jenny Ewo Adum TV na ya ka say this week ye season 6 na Kumasi and na ye wa ye di dwumadi April entitsna se na ye bedin komo. Mami, ye ba industry ni ma e say ya na wantwi bi wom. E yampa.
Ewo baby Abena.
Ewo baby a won etan aho ya nsi echire.
Ewo baby a ewo Central Market. Ewo ye fie. Ya sorry mu wa ye wonam na sorry kwa ewo. Ewo baby a. But me mo ndie. For now no I preach the message of love.
Of love, okay.
Love conquers all. Let love lead. And it's saying, baby, I'm facing opposition. Baby, I'm facing hatred. Baby, I'm facing envy and jealousy. That person has negative energy.
Yeah.
So why would I also add up to the person's negative energy? Maybe the main positivity, no. That cancel negative energy. What time in the moment I may say? What time in Aka with him? What in Aka with him?
Wow.
Never the name.
No, I say
love is best.
What the name work? It's a who movie industry ni say.
I am a man for a case. Senior Jumanego. I made a woman. Okay. Go a young woman and say, I got relegation 8 years. May buy my boss second division. I'm about first division. Me bought premier.
No, I
be as me them are mable. Did the NHS in Nego? Go ahead. Now, I done it. Me call ya me buy. Maybe to YouTube. Na YouTube number 2, you know. Me brand me wants to send me the many better from Maradi. YouTube ni mwa hodo. And then we try YouTube and still. But YouTube you may be an ame. Oh yeah.
So that you can always stand out.
Yes. Also senior you kuno. One as individual no tie na wo ye to stay relevant. Yeah. And na tie na wo ye dia boa wo bia edwuma na be jare na so. What if you say senior you go? Abna senior you go ye. You have your own talk show. Yeah. You are into other stuff. Yeah. Even if obi mfrɛ se be ye edwuma. At least a radiation. A crap on them. You produce your own stuff. Yeah. And the one a human guna would it feel. Again, we are going to
just have to do something.
So what I say, and I will ban now will so better so be a yibino. Sana woya kwana. You have to do it and make a difference. Yeah. You have to me wherever I go, no, I try to leave my mark. Yeah.
You should be creative.
Yes, senior one done it. But in good. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but more a man in Penyufo no more kakra. It got to a time we heard say you and one of them were fighting over a man, and it's alleged say Nipano can be koto and sanoma or whatever. because of the fame, you were so hot, you were everywhere, you were loved by all. Directors pewasem obia pewasem. And you say ejuma no mu a because they know the future. And omo yes sir. And nyame atom adane. Obeji atom say is a true a wom because nkofo ka say ejuma no mu ehu e wom.
Now you are talking about spirituality here. Ewo baby na aye den na me mani tua. Say ni pass mercy. Mempenani anani kunini na me kwa jina manipa no sabi ode makofa baby akose me. I wasn't fighting with anybody over a man.
Okay.
Yakasi ni fo ma kra na me na me di kan ware.
Okay.
And me obi koton sano mama me no, it might be possible, but yeah na ye no yani mistake.
Yes.
In the face of trials and our tribulations and our adversities, you know. Asophobia sebi papa wumna bonisu wum. Nipa no ora ho na sese ora ho hum. We hunu adia e how. What is that supposed spiritual person, a man of God, doing to curb?
Yes.
Sa adekwa e how no. Obeka no wano kwa. Na wantimi ammo ni pakro na. Eye cause 90 working away. Yeah. And yeah, Abena mensa no mu bi. It was that terrible. It was that bad. Na baby Michael Afrani will be no. Ono so me den chia kese e ma no. I've been friends with Michael Afrani for over 22 years. We were all drinking together. It got to a time Michael was like, "Awo, oba be si anom nsasa." On sanoma wonom na enye normal.
Enye kwa.
Sorry waka na maybe me hu ne say talent no future no.
Na yes no.
Ena obone for person was saying. Nti ma ho so. Ti me speak to anamo. Okọ ha yesi ni fo na aton nsa no mama. Okọ ha yesi wo fiefo ana aton nsa no mama. Okọ ha yesi wo namfofo
na
aton nsa no mama. So I said to myself, say
which is which?
Area say bibia penyina so.
Yeah.
Nti erade sensanom enom dey point of contact. Pe said the same abrabo a. Sebi die yo die enemy die no. Se nipa ne wo a se be fo afoforo wo. Se spiritual person wo a wo kwa spiritual person for foforo wo. Yeah. Nti erade ade na ade na omo dey point of contact some the same no. Jimmy wa me na wonyimi mfiri sa ate bia no. Enti me afena ma start pe insanom ho aduro. Enya se kum me yefo ma me kum me bayefo ma me kum madamfo bia o ye ma me. Se mpo on aware na makọ obi kun ho na meti obi nan so na mpo hu sunso bia abaso erade mfo me bone nchem na onyimi mfiri sa amane anum. I sat down, did self-analysis and realized my loophole. Okay. So I wanted to plug that loophole. To me plug this loophole now. And God is a faithful God. God is a merciful God. God is a truthful God. God heard my plea and my supplications, and He came through for me.
Oh, and He came through for your mommy. Ya dane ye ho akojin krato is to the check. Yakoji and Krato aba oguswa ehwede Jenny e Adom TV so na me carry say this season no ye e wo Kumase yani Awo Yaa mo modoba mo ho fe mo yire mo bibia e na twetwe nkomo with the Jenny so enti chipere na gento aso ansa na obekọ no youth emma aba I wo main case industry because baby as you said ebi wo ho emmabuna esiso no emba o mo ho fe. They think say, oh now me say it me mbuade today me this me mbuade onoa ne onoa afutu ben na de be manipa no hwe
so ye ewrabi a wasi so abranti wa bi a wasi so na ewrade do mo ma o gift bi ana talent bi na o pija o simpempen so bia na manfo start heliwa enye wadwen say o so bi mad ana wo ye sofo na ekro bi wa ebi to aso ye steady pa na wo pija no obi free wo fie onya nanka wa wiase obi o namfufom onya nanka wa brɛ wase obi o mantam onya nanka wa brɛ wase enti obɛhwehwɛ waade a wonimu ye ana sinto bi e wo ho o de agina so e de abrɛ wase enti number 1 mumie nsure rade mumie mu nipa mumie nya adwumaden we should be honest and very trustworthy when it comes to our dealings. And then, because relegation 8 years old, me buy me more second division, me more first division. Me bought professional football, but Premier Champions League na me bought. Me damase musuamia ebe bo am.
Yeah, that was see. We are Siano na emboa. The journey for who preaching love video. Na yeso yeah ma love say flowers stand for love. Into your door pa. Na face so just a picture. Na we ya akaba ko mesro ne kra be ye photo shoot. Me call Facebook grandma brands amina picture.
Photo twa.
Ene na de obetwa bi.
Me patcho you. That romantic.
Na post ma ye. You ko yi wo Facebook. Dansa na ye be ko no. Ubeyi ade ba ko ama me. Na no patcho de we beto ha ama me. Na we yi ba ko ama me fefefe. Ye wo mu bia eye odia. We yes you baby. They wo me bia. Okay. The journey for me bisa say mention one West Africa country except Ghana.
Set to go.
Hey! And then me say the journey so I de na mesia de menim se wa wo fie so wasua de na obefa mu aba de abowo bra aha na brebe ma ye de na san na ye bekọ no yenda aboafo ma so ya senior this season 6 every all the way from Kumasi your time here about Miss Charles malaria de where you are any time I give us clean care or see oba sie fie na efie enye fe efie ye fe ne de oba no aduane na chese bibia ye kama no see lip tomato paste for see lip omo de lip mix biaba jollof mix chese nye easy cry ukodwa so also lip tomato paste na fa ye aduane nyina na bibia anye kama Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic for see omo de capsules biaba ye friend no soja capsules and soja capsules or see oba uni libido watinka ewo for munum bia atinka no be ye kama ma ware ne bibia ato ye afebema wo ho eni ho infidelity untimi enwo a mesro ukwa Greenfield ha na onya capsules ni bia ebeboa o ema bibia ye kama afi omo de soja garlic plus so aba soja garlic plus ne so onuma ebema moja ni mu esane ama yare bone ti se stroke ni bibia obetimi ade wo ho empenyufue ena so mase na the season 6 every all the way from Kumasi and I'm a guest Awo Yaa actress and I na twetwe nkoma yesia ade wa wo fie minim se wasia ade aha ena brebe ma me di djumade esi mi din e de Abena Ghana bronga ha for this year brekum eba and amete ha me ne o twetwe nkoma yi asamba akona da bia me ka tro bisi nyame wo ma ebe yi makra
Take this life, make you know they rush, make you know they fear, cause when you fall, you rise again.